Hi, everyone. I recently posted about dollar stores and in their earnings statements how much they shared about what they knew about their consumer, specifically information about the income levels of the consumers that are walking through their doors. And I thought I'd share a little bit more about the methods that they use to gather that. So, all companies would do some kind of internal survey so that they can learn a little bit on their own. So, if you've ever shopped somewhere that offers you a coupon, if you answer a survey, that's a method that they might use to gather information. And Dollar General must have just done that because they had a lot of information from their consumers going into this earnings announcement. They shared that going into this year, about 60% of their sales came from households with incomes less than $30,000 a year. They also shared that they knew that 25% of their shoppers were expecting to have lower incomes in this coming year. And they shared that 60% of their shoppers surveyed said that they do feel a need to cut back on necessities in the coming year. So, most retailers will have some form of internal survey like this where they gather information. Then they marry that up with credit card data that would include some more demographics, especially around income, because you have to provide income when you apply for a credit card. And then they also leverage Nielsen data. Nielsen does panels where they ask very specific questions, and they often will marry that up with internal survey data as well. So I thought I'd just share that because I had a lot of questions around how do they know the income levels of their consumers, and in a nutshell, that is how they get there. So hope that helps. And if you've ever participated in these surveys, please drop it in the comments. Might help others understand how they arrive at such a robust knowledge of their shopper. Have a nice day.